speaking abilities, right? So if you are strong in writing the English, you will be strong to speak it for sure, right? So the thing is, I would suggest read as much as you can, okay? Have a command in your grammar, right? So these are the basic things. And even if you make a mistake, don't, you know, don't, mostly it happens in speaking. So what happens is sometimes we'll speak something for an
We
instance,
fumble a bit.
right? So for an instance, what happens is if I'm speaking to someone, I'm saying, I didn't did it. Okay. Right. So I will immediately realize, okay, I made a mistake, right? I fumbled.
True.
But if the person who is in front of you, right, he will realize that you might have made a mistake, but he will not point it out, right? But you know in your mind, because you have read the grammar, you know everything, right?
Yeah, actually.
While when it comes to writing, you won't make that mistake for sure.
No, so basically, see, basically, like when I practice, some prepositions, like for my exams only, or I'm going with tenses exercise, so I find it difficult, like I can speak very fluently, or I can make mistakes, and even though I am like, "Yeah, okay, fine, it's okay." But
Mhm.
when we practice that and implement it, like practicing on the paper, also it becomes difficult. Ki when to use on, when to use in, like मैंने काफी सारे exercises practice किए, उसमें भी in depth इतना सारा है, and I don't know how to cover it or go by it. So it's, I don't know how to carry
Okay.
with it.
One thing I would suggest is to learn by your own mistakes. Okay. And the only way you can make mistake is the only way you can learn is by making mistake, and the only way you can make mistake is by trying. So it's all about practice, right? So as you said, you are doing a lot. I would say put 10% extra on it. That's what I would suggest. So the more you practice, the more you read, the more you write, it will get refined. Okay. You know the
Okay.
language,
Mm-hmm.
right? You know the language. You
Yeah.
don't, it's not like it's a rocket science, right? You know the
Yeah.
language, you know the
Mm-hmm.
grammar, you know
Mm-hmm.
everything. It's just about refining it,
Hmm.
right? So the only way to refine is practice. As much as you practice, as much as you write, as much as you read, it will be refined. So what you can do is you can start writing your own diary or something, right? So
Okay.
that will help you to increase your writing abilities,
Writing skill. Mm-hmm.
right?
Fine.
And to be able to write properly, first we need to learn how to read. So you can
Mm-hmm.
start reading a novel or a book or something. As I said, I don't prefer reading books. I prefer watching movies and yeah, watching movies and shows. So I used to do that, and I learned from that. So I'll tell you one experience. Okay, whatever you said is absolutely correct. So
Mm-hmm.
from here, because my education was in Hindi, I had to
Mm-hmm.
take an exam to prove my efficiency in English,
Yeah.
proficiency in English, right? So they call it as um,
TOEFL.
it's a Pearson English test. Okay, it's
Okay.
organized by Pearson Publication. It's a world level publication company. They
All right.
provide a exam. They provide an exam. See, I made a mistake now. They provide an exam, but I corrected
Mm-hmm.
myself, right? So we make all these kind of mistakes, right? But
Recording
Yeah.
in
what,
progress.
what has to be corrected, correct? So
Recording stopped.
okay, so something happened there. So what I was saying
Maybe
is,
Ankit sir is trying to record the class.
yeah. So what I was saying is, we make these mistakes, but we
Mm-hmm.
know that we have made it, so we can correct it, right? So now when you are speaking, I can't erase it,
Yeah,
right?
actually.
But when you're writing it, you can do, right?
Hmm.
There is a way to erase when you're writing, but there isn't when you're speaking it, right? So all you
Hmm.
can do is you can correct yourself. That's fine. you know, so yeah, so the whole point, what I was saying is I took that exam, and when I was
Mhm.
taking that exam, I realized that I speak better than I write. Okay, because
Okay.
in that exam you get different sections, as in
Mhm.
reading, writing, speaking, and listening. There are the 4 sections,
Mhm.
which proves your proficiency in the language. Okay, so
Actually. Mhm.
I got least marks in writing. So I
Okay.
understood that I speak good, I listen good, I read good, but I don't write good.
Mhm.
And
Fine.
I have no shame in telling you that I made a lot of spelling mistakes.
Okay.
I have no shame in telling that I made a lot of spelling mistakes. That's usual because, I have studied English as a subject. Okay. Although I
Okay.
wanted to learn it as a language, but it
Mhm.
came only after 11th. Up until 10th, where we learn most of our vocabulary, I have learned it as a subject to pass the exam.
Mhm.
Okay. And in our area as well, there wasn't mm, much pressure in I mean, there wasn't much importance given to the English subject up
Yeah,
until
actually, it's
class
not
11.
practiced and it's not even, required. Like the area I am, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी बात नहीं करता.
Exactly.
So it's all that I watch, TV series and movies. So I'm a bit okay with it. I can have a conversation with anybody in English. But when
Yeah.
it's come to writing part, like I don't know from where to start and from where to end it.
Yeah. So I mean, I can absolutely understand your problem, and because
Mhm.
I have faced that. I have literally faced that problem myself. Right. So you can start. I mean, you are speaking really good, and I'm sure most of us will speak good, but when it comes to writing, we'll make mistakes. That's for sure. So the best way to overcome that will be try writing every day something. Okay,
Sure.
write your journal or something. Okay,
Hmm.
write a diary. It will help you to improve your writing skills.
Yeah.
Um, so as I work in a laptop now, I don't have to worry about the spellings, right? But I'm still worse in it. I
Same
have
is
to be
with
honest
me.
about it. Okay,
Same is with
and
me. Like, you know, everything is corrected by cell phone nowadays. Na Grammarly is there.
exactly.
So spelling mistakes is not a problem because it is corrected. But now, as we are facing the exam right now, uh,
Yeah,
so we have to now, spend time to get the all those spellings in our mind, and it's a bit
exactly.
complicated process right now for me to get everything done in this short period of time.
Yeah. And I would mention this thing as well. We might think that there are English speaking countries, and people
Mhm.
from that country, we expect them to be experts in the spelling and everything, right?
Mhm. Hmm.
But that's not true. It's not that they know everything. But they might be speaking. Okay, you might be
Yeah.
speaking Hindi or you might be speaking some other language. But when I tell you to write that same language in your native language, you might not गेट एवरीथिंग यू आप कुछ मात्रा मिस कर सकती हो या मतलब
Mhm.
कोई शब्द नहीं पता चलेगा अब आपको मैं बोलूं कि श लिख के दिखाओ आप नहीं लिख पाओगे
Hmm.
राइट एकदम से नहीं क्लिक करेगा
Actually.
करेक्ट बट आप बोल पा रहे हो श
Sure.
right?
Hmm.
आप छतरी बोल पा रही हो आप छतरी लिखने में थोड़ा दिक्कत आ जाएगी आपको
Hmm.
राइट
Fine.
सो इट्स अबाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग when
Okay.
when we are in school, right now,
Mm-hmm.
I hope you guys have already came out of school, right, because you
Yeah.
guys are preparing for RIE. So जब अपन स्कूल में रहते हैं तब अपन
Mm-hmm.
रोज लिखते हैं, right?
Hmm.
तो अपने मतलब हाथ चलते हैं अपने मतलब अपना एक क्या होता है ना
Our mind
इंसान
process that
का,
way.
हाँ माइंड
Hmm.
प्रोसेस दैट वे एंड
Hmm.
अपनी मसल्स उस तरीके से काम कर मेमोरी मसल्स जो होती है ना उस तरीके से काम करती
Mm-hmm.
है, राइट?
Actually.
तो वही बात है कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट द प्रैक्टिस. सो अगर आप इफ यू वरीड अबाउट द राइटिंग पार्ट, then I would
Hmm.
say start writing from today onwards.
Yeah, surely I'm going to take this suggestion and I'm going to start writing journal from today only.
Yeah. एंड क्योंकि बोलना आसान है,
Actually.
लिखना थोड़ा टफ है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, बिकॉज आई डोंट नीड टू राइट एनीथिंग नाउ, आई डोंट डू इट, राइट, I just have to do this blah blah, that's all I do now, so that's all that matters for me now, right? So
Okay.
आपके साथ भी लाइफ में आगे जाके यही होगा, आई मीन आप लोगों के साथ नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप लोग टीचर बनेंगे, तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको लिखना पड़ेगा, समझाना पड़ेगा, तो मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि आप अभी से लिखना शुरू कर दें, जो कि
Right.
आप आगे जाके भी, और ये बहुत अच्छी हैबिट है, आपको डेफिनेटली काम आएगी.
Okay, sir.
No, don't call me sir, call me Nitin. I'm not a sir. You can call Ankit sir because he is a sir. But
So Nitin sir, can I add something?
yes, please.
Okay. So
Can't believe I'm saying please to you, but yeah.
Okay. तो क्या बोल रहा था यार मैं, हाँ, थोड़ी देर बाद जो है मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी, तो आपको दोबारा आना है, और सारे लोगों से मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, guys, please participate on the conversation, okay, and say your problems, tell your problems about you are facing to solve English proficiency related questions, okay. You can unmute yourself and tell your problem which you are facing, और लास्ट में मैं एक कंक्लूजन भी आप लोगों को करूंगा, ओके. पूरे टाइम प्रिपरेशन के टाइम में हम लोग एरर फाइंडिंग में फंसे हुए रहते हैं, है ना, बट वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन रीडिंग कम्प्रिहेंशन पार्ट, तो दिस इज वेरी बैड थिंग, ओके. और इसका जो खामियाजा है हम लोगों को भुगतना पड़ता है, क्योंकि रीडिंग कम्प्रिहेंशन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, ठीक है, समझना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ओके. ओके नितिन सर, ओपन योर कैमरा एंड कंटिन्यू.
या और कोई अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बताना चाहेगा या कोई, आई मीन लेट्स जस्ट मेक इट अ फन सेशन. आई एम सॉरी अंकित.
ओके
Sir,
Who was it?
सलोनी.
sir,
Okay.
today only and today itself. Which one is correct?
See, it both the things are spoken by only Indians. Okay, so
Then which word is more appropriate, or which word we can use in place of this?
depends. Okay, so I would suggest one thing: never ever predetermine something which is correct or which is not. It depends on the context, right? So context का मतलब हुआ कि आप किस विषय में बात कर रहे हो, उस विषय पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपने जो बोला वो सही है या नहीं, right? So today itself, I would say go with today itself, right? So I mean, again, I am predetermining it, but it depends on the context. तो अगर मान के चलो कि अगर मेरा बॉस बोल रहा है मुझे कि ये काम मुझे आज ही चाहिए, so he'll be saying I want this work to be done today itself, right? That is more appropriate in that context. जैसे आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बोलोगे कि guys, I want these tasks to be completed as part of your homework by today itself. So today itself is a more appropriate word than today only.
Okay, sir.
I hope I answered your question, Saloni, but the proper answer to this question, I would say, is it depends on the context.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. और कोई कुछ बोलना चाहेगा?
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, Litu, I think I heard you first.
Yes, sir. सर आपने जो बोला बोलना आसान है, कहाँ से शुरू करना है बोलना. मैं इंग्लिश में पढ़ता हूँ या रोल फॉलो करता हूँ, बोल नहीं पाता हूँ इंग्लिश।
आप अभी बोल रहे हो जैसा, अभी उसको हिंदी में आप इंग्लिश में बोलना लगो तो बस वहीं से हो जाएगा। आप बोलते इसीलिए नहीं हो क्योंकि आप डरते हो कि मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ और लोग हंसेंगे। जिस दिन आपने वो चीज अपने दिमाग से निकाल दी, आप बोलना शुरू कर दोगे। हो सकता है कि आप गलत बोलो, लेकिन आपको समझ में आएगा कि मैं कहाँ गलत बोल रहा हूँ और कहाँ नहीं। और जब आपको समझ में आने लगेगा, राइट, तो आप अपने आप में सुधार लाने लगोगे। लेकिन आप अगर ये डर के बोलो ही नहीं कि कोई मेरे ऊपर
नहीं
हंसेगा।
सर, डरता नहीं हूँ। नहीं
ओके,
सर, मैं अकेला हूँ यहाँ पर। मेरा एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ बनता नहीं इंग्लिश का माहौल।
एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट थिंग। तो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है कि आपके आसपास लोग हों जिनसे आप इंग्लिश में बात कर सकें, राइट। तो अगर आपके पास लोग नहीं हैं लेतू, तो मैं आपको ऐसा सजेशन दूंगा कि आप वो एनवायरनमेंट अपने आसपास क्रिएट करो। और अगर मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आप ऐसी जगह पे रहते होंगे जहाँ पे लोग नहीं है जो इंग्लिश बोलते होंगे, तो मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि
सर,
जब आप इस तरीके की क्लासेस में आते हैं, राइट, आप इस क्लास में आए हैं या किसी और क्लास में जाएंगे, सो ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश देन व्हेन यू आर इन दैट एनवायरनमेंट, राइट। अभी आपको वो
यस
एनवायरनमेंट
सर,
मिला है, सो यू कैन मेक ईच एंड एवरी सेंटेंस ऑफ योर्स which you're speaking in English.
यस सर, आई विल ट्राई।
Okay, I mean, I'm sorry, you know um, I assumed that you might be afraid because that was the case with me initially. So as I said, I'm not a teacher, guys. I'm just sharing my experience. So मैं शुरू में डरता था बोलने के लिए, और मैं डरता था कि लोग मेरे ऊपर हंसेंगे, और मेरे ऊपर हंसने वाले मेरे खुद के ही दोस्त होते थे, राइट। बट फिर बाद में मैंने सोचा कि यार मैं अगर डरने लगा तो मैं कभी कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा, राइट। तो मैंने कॉलेज में बोलना शुरू किया। मैं बहुत गंदी बोलता था इंग्लिश। फिर मतलब फिर मैं बैंगलोर गया। माय फर्स्ट जॉब वाज इन बैंगलोर। बैंगलोर जाने से मुझे फायदा ये हुआ, हालांकि बैंगलोर में हिंदी बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, राइट, हिंदी इज वेरी कॉमन इन बैंगलोर, बट बैंगलोर जाने से एक फायदा हुआ कि वहां पे मुझे एनवायरनमेंट मिला, जैसा कि लितू बोल रहे थे कि उनके पास नहीं है। बैंगलोर जाने से एक फायदा हुआ कि मुझे एनवायरनमेंट मिला। तो ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपके पास एनवायरनमेंट हो। अगर नहीं हो तो आप कोशिश करो कि आपको जहां भी एनवायरनमेंट वो मिलता है, यू ग्रैब इट, एंड once you get that environment, don't speak in your native language, then try to utilize it as much as you can, right?
यस सर।
Sir,
Yeah, Saloni.
sir, just to create an environment, because I need people to talk with me in English. So I started talking in English with my teachers of my college. And once one teacher just before few days, he asked me, "Are you